Here's today's English news in under 1 minute. Liz Truss will replace Boris Johnson as the Prime Minister of the UK today. She has already drafted a policy to freeze energy prices in Britain. Without intervention, prices could increase by up to 80%. Germany has halted plans to shut down all of its nuclear reactors by the end of this year. They will keep 2 of the remaining reactors on standby in anticipation of an energy crisis. Russia is reportedly trying to buy rockets and artillery shells from North Korea. Iran is already supplying the Russians with drones, a sign that sanctions are hurting the Russian military. Israel has admitted that a Palestinian-American journalist killed in May was likely shot by an Israeli soldier.